If you love your Berkey filter, we're confident you'll love it even more using the fast-flowing DuraFlo replacement filter. The DuraFlo delivers water faster than any other gravity-fed candlestick filter on the market, flowing up to 9 gallons per hour. Additionally, the DuraFlo has been tested until its end of life. This simply means the filter has been challenged every 25 gallons with a new, massive dose of all the contaminants the water filter is said to remove. These contaminants include bacteria, such as E. coli, viruses, and parasites, such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. The testing process is repeated every 25 gallons until the water filter fails to meet the EPA water quality standards, hence, end of life. Our test results are on our website. You should have a look. If your water filter manufacturer cannot or will not provide independent test results with conclusive evidence as to what their filters remove and for exactly how many gallons, well, we have to ask, what gives you the confidence to use them? Have a look at this.
Why wait for water? The Sagan DuraFlo filter is the perfect filter for use in most countertop water filtration systems, such as Berkey, Dalton, and AquaRain. It delivers purified, safe water faster than any other candlestick filter available for use in these type of units. It flows approximately 9 gallons an hour, so why wait for water using another filter? Installing the DuraFlo filter is simple and takes only a few moments. First, remove the lid, remove the old filter, or find the hole where the filter is placed. The DuraFlo filter has a wing nut and 2 silicone washers. Remove the wing nut and 1 silicone washer, leaving the other silicone washer at the base of the threads on the filter end cap. Insert the DuraFlo filter in the open hole at the base of the canister. Turn the canister over to place the silicone washer over the threaded stem, and then secure the wing nut by twisting it on the threads until it is tightly seated. Place the canister with the filter inside on top of the base canister. Fill the canister with water. This may take a few moments. Allow the DuraFlo filter to absorb water for about 15 minutes. The DuraFlo filter has been tested by an independent EPA certified laboratory to determine its end of life. It is rated to meet or exceed the established EPA water quality standards for up to 550 gallons of water, removing 99.9999% of bacteria, 99.99% of virus, and 99.99% of Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and 97% of over 118 chemicals such as chlorine and fluoride. The Sagan DuraFlo filter is the best and quickest way to provide your family purified, safe drinking water.